Question number 1. In the laboratory, sodium chloride is made by burning sodium in the atmosphere of chlorine. The salt obtained is yellow in color, and it is due to A. Presence of sodium ions in the crystal lattice. Presence of chlorine ions in the crystal lattice. C. Presence of electrons in the crystal lattice. And D. Presence of face-centered cubic crystal lattice. Now, the yellow color which we obtain on heating of sodium chloride in the presence of sodium is due to usually the presence of the electrons. Okay, so there what happens is the electrons are in excess. So these excess electrons will enter into the places or the spaces, what we call them as voids. Let's consider these as the crystal lattices, right? So now what usually happens is that in these particular cases, if this one is negative, this is positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and it goes on increasing in lattice, right? So now the spaces in between these systems, these are the spaces where the excess of electrons enter. Okay, now due to the presence of excess of electrons, due to the presence of excess of electrons in the spaces or in the anion, vacancies are those which are created because of this. These particular spaces, we call them as F sites. Now, due to these particular presence of electron in the crystal lattice, the color obtained is yellow because of those transitions of electrons. Thus, our answer is C.